Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to access WeMod Overlay in-game instantly. Let's begin. Once you have successfully opened WeMod in your Windows, I want you to click on a specific game. Let's just say, for example, Resident Evil 4. Left click on that, and over here, you will have an icon which says Mod Settings. Left click, then you will have this option which says overlay. You can enable or disable this. It says in here, press Alt W while in game to instantly access your mods. So if you're going to enable this, you will have this option to access your mods quickly using this shortcut key, Alt W. But if you're going to enable, or what I mean is disable this feature, you will not be able to access this feature. Mhm. Let's just say, for example, you have some games that require you to press Alt W. It might contradict, so you can easily turn this off. But of course, you can go back in here, turn this on, and there you go. You're done. I hope you found this video very helpful.